Well, rolling up on our next job. It's up there on the hill. One thing for sure, it sure is a nice day to work outside. And there it is. There they are, way back on yonder, cleaning out fence rows and burning stuff. So let's see what we got here. John Deere 200 LC, and I was told it's been welded several times, and there it is. Main boom's busted. Well, we're going to get set up and see what happens. Well, here's that crack. Runs all the way up this boom, the main dipper stick on this. There have been several people try it. This is the first time I've been out on it. So we'll, I guess we'll see what we can do. Well, we're all set up, ready to carbon arc. If you'll notice, I got this cylinder covered up. We don't want to get splattered on the cylinder. And we got a window over here on the front of this thing. So, like we've always said, always be aware of your surroundings. We've pulled it up onto the gravel. That way we don't catch a bunch of corn stalks and field on fire. So I'm going to cut this out and we'll take a look at it. Okay, we got it all cut out. We got it prepped. Got about a 3/32 landing inside there. About a 3/32 gap, a little tighter than I'd like, but I think it's going to work real good. Just turn my heat up a little more so I can get through. I had to protect the windshield. So we're going to start with our root pass, fill pass, and we're going to do a cover. Well, we got her done. She's all welded up, solid. 60-10 root, 70-18 fill, 70-18 cover. Time to wrap everything up, and we're out of here.